Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have another haul, but let me tell y'all about this. So, I was watching some YouTube, of course, which I probably just need to disable. No, just kidding. um anyway, I was watching YouTube and um I was watching people with traveler's notebooks, like from the traveler's company, and I thought, I want one of those. I just want a real one. You know, I have some traveler's notebooks, but it's not from the travel company. And so I thought, let me just go and see what a used one goes for. And so I did that. I checked eBay, and there was one that was $25. They said they barely used it. I think they basically just unwrapped it, and they said that they didn't really use it. So I was like, it's $25, but then it was $11 of shipping, which I don't understand why this costs $11 to ship. But anyway, um, so I went ahead and clicked buy before I really looked at how much a new one costs. But anyway, I decided to go ahead and get this one. And after I did that, I went on JetPens and stuff, and I saw, no, I went to the actual Traveler's Notebook site. But anyway, the point is, I saw that they had some limited edition ones that was really cute. And I was like, dog, I should have waited and I should have got that. But then again, it was expensive. And so I thought that I wasn't going to get it. I kept trying to talk myself out of it. And not only did I end up getting this, but I ended up getting not one, but two from this other place called Pen Boutique. But I will tell y'all all about that when I get that. But this one comes from eBay. And let's take a look at it. So it looked like they gave me all the papers that it came with originally. And it comes with that extra loop and how to take care of it. And oh wow, this is nice. Now, I have some other leather ones, but this really is nice. You know, they were talking about how nice it feels and stuff. So this person took the elastic band out, I guess. I guess they was going to change it. Okay. But you know, you could put charms on this. So, But anyway, if I get a charm, I'd have to buy that separately. So let's see, which journal is this? And this is the sketch one. Very nice. I'm very happy about this. So I don't know what else it would have come with. I think that all of this is intact. I think this person basically just opened it. I think this is a brand new one. And then this little, I think this is that kit that you can get from JetPens. There's like a starter kit. I believe that this is it. And it costs $50. So I did save a little money. And look at that. That is wonderful. I love this color. I know it's going to get scratched up. And then that's the embossed or debossed. I think that's debossed when it's a divot, right? Anyway, let's see. But this is very nice. It was actually a little bit smaller than I thought. I don't know why, but I thought it's going to be just a little bit bigger. So what I have coming, that's going to be interesting, what I have coming, because I have a little wallet that goes inside, because I thought I can maybe Not when I bought this one, but when I bought the second one, I thought maybe I can use it as a wallet, as well as, journaling system. I thought maybe I can, because I bought a little wallet from Galen Leather to go inside it. And I thought, well, I might just replace it, replace my wallets that I have now. Anyway, we'll talk about that when I get it. But I was just thinking, this is a little bit smaller than I thought. And I wonder what that wallet is going to look like. And if it's going to be what I need. Because, when you're looking at something online, even though you have a hand to reference it, it looks bigger. But anyway, so that's that. I'm very happy that I picked this up. And we'll see what I use this for. All right. And then we have Elle Studio. I think this is my kit. So we'll take a quick peek at this. Yeah. Oops. There's something in there. And it didn't want to come out. Okay. All right. I like that a lot. And let's see. Oh, a gift. Very nice. I like that. Very nice. All right. So let's take a quick look at the kit. This is my mother. Oh, I like that cardstock right there. Okay. Let's take a quick look at it. Ooh. All right. Okay. So, Elle Studio, all of theirs are one-sided. It's cardstock, but it's not heavy cardstock. I actually prefer heavy cardstock, but I still get this. This is going to be cute. I like that. Love that. And I am doing a little bit on, oh, cute. October daily. And so I can definitely use these. Really like those. All right. And then we'll go with the die cuts. You punch these out. And then a couple of 4x6s. More die cuts. Like this a lot. All right. So that's that. Okay, and then I got a peachy cheap deal. So they ran this deal, and then I want to say a week later, they ran this deal again. And just so happened, I woke up in like the middle of the night. And I checked. I was looking at my emails. And they ran this deal again. And seriously, at 2 o'clock in the morning, this deal was out of stock. All right. So I'm not going to open these, but isn't that pretty? And, it's actually prettier in person than it looked like on the website to me. I really like this now. I just kind of liked it. But I thought, because I really debated on whether or not to get this. But I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get it. Because at the time, I really didn't have a December daily kit yet, because I was waiting on Paper Person Shop, which I ordered today. I don't know if y'all follow her, but her release is out today. It's really cute. It's not as cute as this. It's not as cute as it was last year, but it's cute. And I spent way more than I wanted to. But anyway, hopefully it's cuter than it looks online. All right. And then what I was saying about that is I haven't picked a collection to go with. And so this was the first one. Now for me, I don't have to have all my pages cohesive, which I know that would just drive some of y'all crazy, but as long as the 2 pages that I'm looking at match, I'm okay. I can go with totally different, like totally different collections on the next 2 pages. Because it might go with what I'm trying to do. And so as a overall like album, it may not be cohesive, but I'm okay with that. So I am going to be using this system, and I'm going to be using Kelly Perky. So let's see. That's a really cute example right there. I did not know that I was going to like this as much as I like it. That is so pretty. Like I said, I think the examples that Peachy Cheap gave didn't do justice to this. That's really pretty. Now I see why it sold out the second time. Like, literally, like 2 o'clock in the morning, they were sold out. I don't know if I was going to buy a second one. I just went to it and to look at it again, and it was sold out. Now I get it. Very cute. Very, very cute. I usually don't like glittered stickers because that glitter gets everywhere, but that's really pretty. So this is a very cute kit. All right, guys, that is all I had to share today, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.